From my perspective, Avirate was a brand that I first came in contact with in Colombo when I was there for Colombo Fashion Week. And I saw this Pret line coming out and I was very impressed with the quality of their work and finish. A few years later, of course I worked with them every year during Colombo Fashion Week, but last year they informed me that they were entering India. I at first thought that they would come into India in a small way and open a small store. Well, they came into India and they opened their flagship store in Indiranagar, and it was a beautiful store on 2 levels. And very rapidly the expansion began and they came into UB City, and right now we are working on a rollout in Pune, in Chennai, in New Delhi. So I'm very impressed that a brand from Sri Lanka could come into India in such a quiet way and suddenly make such a big impact on the retail sector and succeed where other Indian brands had failed. So I must say that Avirate was a brand that I was extremely impressed by. Today's young woman needs a lot of choices. She needs a huge amount of evening wear, of casual wear. And I think that Avirate has filled this gap extremely well. Because in India, we either have very expensive designer clothes or very inexpensive export kind of garments. Avirate has fitted a niche that was very blank, and for girls like my daughter who's 2021, this is an option of evening wear that's affordable, it's very international and extremely wearable. So I think that Avirate technically has come into India at the right time and they're very definitely in the right place now. Working with Avirate has been an extremely pleasant experience because I'm fortunate to have met the entire team from Colombo, and I also work with the team from India that is headed by Mr. Jahid Usman and his colleagues. And I feel that they have a truly clear perspective of what they want to achieve. They have entered the market in a very sensible way. Their price point is superb. I hope they don't take it up in future. And I think that they are set to become one of the biggest brands in India, because I know for a fact that a lot of other not so similar brands are feeling very threatened by Avirate's arrival, and that is always a good thing. I think that it's extremely important the way they've positioned themselves in the market. They bring in fresh stock almost every month. So whenever a customer comes back over here, she finds something new to try on, something new to purchase. And that's extremely important because many brands only do 2 seasons a year, and very rarely do you find them doing 3 seasons. But Avirate, I feel, is doing almost 8 seasons a year with different collections coming in, different colors. The store always looks different when we walk in, and for the customer, I think that's a great thing. So I would like to congratulate Avirate on their strategy because I think they're completely following the correct path. The store design is extremely modern, it's very sort of user-friendly. The clothes are displayed in such a way that a woman can come in here, spend time, understand the clothes without having to hunt through things or through racks that are very confusing. But at the same time, there is an element of surprise, an element that says you cannot see everything in the first 20 minutes. So spend a couple of hours with us, try on a lot of things, and you're bound to find something that you love and that you would like to wear. I think in that way, Avirate's experience has been very complete.